Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup. First, let's lay the groundwork for a truly satisfying bowl. The secret lies in starting with fresh, high-quality ingredients. Think about the core components: a flavorful broth, aromatic vegetables, and your chosen protein or starches. We'll explore how to combine these elements harmoniously to build a rich and comforting experience, ensuring every spoonful is packed with wonderful taste. The heart of any great soup is its flavor base, often built with aromatics. Gently sautéing finely diced onions, carrots, and celery in a tablespoon of oil for about 5 to 7 minutes creates a sweet foundation. Next, deglaze the pot with a splash of water or wine to lift all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Then, pour in your chosen broth, ensuring it's a good quality one for maximum depth. Once your ingredients are in, the magic happens during the simmer. Maintain a gentle, consistent simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to fully meld. Avoid a rolling boil, which can break down delicate ingredients too quickly. Cook your vegetables until they are just tender, offering a pleasant bite. If the soup becomes too thick, simply add a quarter cup of hot water or broth to reach your desired consistency. The final step is crucial for a truly outstanding soup. Always taste and adjust your seasoning just before serving. A pinch more salt or a dash of pepper can make all the difference. Fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro, added at the very end, provide a burst of freshness and vibrant color. For an extra layer of richness, consider a swirl of heavy cream or a bright squeeze of lemon juice to elevate the flavor profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.